Okay, I'm unboxing and reviewing the Sawyer Mini Water Filtration System today. Shows you what comes in the box right here. The mini filter, a 16-ounce pouch, drinking straw, and a cleaning plunger. Okay, it also shows you here that the size of the fiber in the filter is thicker than others. Different ways you can use the filter. You can attach it to the pouch, so if you find a source of water and you fill up the pouch, you can attach the filter to it and squeeze the water out and it'll be filtered. Or you can put it into a bottle, a liter soda bottle or water bottle, something like that. Or you can use it to pour out. You can use it with a straw to where you can try and suck it out with a straw. Also, you can use it inline where you're trying to do that. For instance, with a water bladder in a Camelback or something like that. It's good to filter up to 100,000 gallons from freshwater sources. So I would not use it, for instance, in a muddy pool of water in a road or something like that. All that mud is just going to clog up your filter much faster. So let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so inside the box, you've got the cleaning plunger. That's for filling up clean water and shoving it reverse direction into the filter to clean it out. You've got the drinking straw, which is about 6 inches. You've got the filter itself, and it shows you the direction of flow that it should have. And also there's threads on this side which should accommodate a regular type liter or 2-liter soda bottle that you might find and fill up with water. Okay. And inside is the 16-ounce pouch. It's got instructions on how to use it, and on the back are more instructions on backwashing and storage. It's feels like very thin metal or thick plastic, and it has a cap that came in it. Okay. And let's see what else. Oh, there's instructions. Helpful tips and tricks, and tips for better results. Okay. And that's it. That's all that came in it. That's more than enough, though, I would say. I also have decided to take everything out and put it into a gallon size freezer bag, because that way I don't have to worry about the box getting crushed and everything being tousled around and being lost or separated. So the gallon size freezer bag is wide enough to where I can put this bag in here straight without folding, and then I've put all the rest of the things in here along with the instructions, or the tips sheet I should say. Get all the air out. There we go. Now I can put that in my backpack for hiking, or my bug out bag, or whatever, emergency kit that I want to have, just in case I come across some water that I want to drink and not get violently ill. There's Cryptosporidium, and there's E. coli and all sorts of other nasties that you can find out in the wild. So there we go. If you enjoy this video, consider giving me a thumbs up and either subscribe to my channel, or you can share it with your friends as a really good and not very expensive, I think it was under $20 or around $20, water filtration equipment in case you're ever in need. Until then, stay prepared, my friends.